Good morning, students. Today we are going to do simple math object counting. This is very interesting and very easy. Let's start our work. Okay, count the objects and write the correct numbers in the boxes. Okay, how many bananas? 2. Very good. Count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many oranges can you see? 7. Count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many apples can you see? 9. Count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many chicks can you see? 8. Very good. Count the pears. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many roses can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 6. Very good. Count the objects and encircle the correct number. Count with me, please. We are going to encircle the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the correct answer? 7. So we are going to circle that. Count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Count the cars with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Count the objects and match with the correct number. There are numbers written on the right side and there are objects picture on the left side. We have to count them and match them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is the number 7? Here it is. Very good. Cars. How many cars are there? 4 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many boats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is number 5? Very good. Is there any object you can see over here? So what should we do? It will be matched with the number 0. 8. 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Write the number of eggs in the boxes besides the nest. Okay, count the eggs. Start counting the eggs. How many eggs can you see? 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. Now how many eggs can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs. Can you see any egg in the nest? So how many eggs are there? 0. Very good. Can you see any eggs in this nest? No. So again 0. How many eggs can you see over here? 2. Over here 1. 1 eggs. I hope that you have learned counting, and these were the brain boosting activities that help us to count and learn. Tomorrow we are going to do some more activities related to this, so be ready. Okay? See you tomorrow and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.